This video is for the Ohana leaders who will be creating a master project for the rest of your group mates. So remember, after doing essay number 3, your group members should have read through 2 articles and created these cards for the 2 articles, right? And they should be tagged. Everything should be tagged. And they should have sent it to you by clicking here and send a copy to, and so that means you should have received a copy of everything. So when you scroll down here, you will see where they sent you their MasterCard, Super Note cards. And so you click here and say copy to your project, and you will see it in your project. So again, you have to click here and copy to your projects. Now once you do that, you will be starting a new project and name it Master Project for Ohana. Okay, so again, create a new project and name it Master Project for Ohana. Now you click here and add a deck. That's the first step. And the reason why you have to do that is that when you go and take a look at your group mates' 2 decks that they sent to you, you click here and click on copy. It's kind of like copying and pasting something, right? And then you have to go back to your master project for Ohana, and you click again here on these 3 lines and you click on paste. And so it magically copies and pastes all of the cards of your group mates. So again, I'm going to show it to you again. So you kind of have to keep going back and forth between the decks that your group mates sent you and the master project that you created. So you got to click on copy and then go back and click on the master project for your Ohana, and then click here, and then you click on paste. Okay, and there you go. And so you continue to do that until you have everybody's. So you should have, if you have 4 group mates in your Ohana, right, you should have 2 per person, 2 decks per person, so you should have a total of 8.